Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Artifacts for data visualization and dashboards using the easy steps. This is a great way to transform your plain text data and long lists of numbers into beautiful visual layouts, charts, and interactive dashboards that appear in their own clean window right next to your chat screen. Step 1. Paste your raw number lists and type your chart design prompt. The first step is to collect your business numbers, drop them straight into your active chat text line, and tell the tool exactly how to draw your graph. Copy your data rows from your desktop file spreadsheet, paste them flat against your typing field inside the chat box, and add a simple request like create an interactive bar chart and pie chart based on these sales numbers. Click the Send Arrow button on your screen canvas rows and watch for the system to process your raw data information instantly. Because the tool needs the exact facts before it can map out any visual lines or colored blocks. Typing your design goal in simple words lets the system engine sort the information columns in the background. It groups your categories neatly so it can construct a balanced visual layout on your monitor screen view. Step 2. Open and explore the dedicated interactive canvas panel. The next step is to move your eyes to the brand new display window that pops open automatically on the right half of your layout screen. Move your mouse pointer over to the separate right-hand panel block, click on the live buttons to switch between different chart tabs, and hover your cursor over the colored bars to see the real data numbers pop into view. Check the top navigation bar of the display window to confirm you can view both the final visual picture layout and the clean text structure underneath, because it separates your typing workspace from your viewing workspace. The dedicated display panel lets you interact with the graphs live without reloading the whole web page. You can review the scaling, read the text labels, and ensure the entire dashboard layout matches your real-world business needs perfectly. Step 3. Update your dashboard style and save your final layout pack. The final step is to type any design adjustments you want to make into your chat row and then save the completed dashboard package straight to your local hard drive. Type a simple change command like make the charts blue and add a total summary card block to the top, hit enter, and click the small download folder button in the lower corner of the display panel once the changes finish loading. Choose a safe directory on your computer to store your new visual layout file and run it to verify that your dashboard works perfectly outside the chat window. Your visual setup is completely finished and your tool behaves beautifully. And that's it. To use Claude Artifacts for data visualization and dashboards, first you move your mouse to the text chat box to paste your raw data list and type your chart design prompt on your screen canvas rows. Then you look at the new right-hand display window to click and explore your interactive graphs flat against your view. Finally, you type your style changes to update the colors and click the download button to save your complete dashboard layout pack instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.